How to view private TikTok account without following. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can view any private TikTok account without following. For this, at first you have to launch the very TikTok application on your device. After launching the very TikTok application on your device like this, now you have to go to the very search icon on your very TikTok here. Now here you have to search any of the private account here in the TikTok. You can search any of the private TikTok account you have not followed. Now after that you have to tap on the very private TikTok account. Then you can go to the option of share, and then you can just select the very icon, or you can select the very profile or the username of it. Now then you have to go to the very Google Chrome on your device. After proceeding to the Google Chrome on your device, you have to search priptic.com. After you search priptic.com, now here you can view the private TikTok account profiles. Now here you have to tap on the very icon here on the priptic.com, and then what you can do is you can just paste the very username that you had copied and you can see it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.